Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are still playing a lot of Zelda, so short and quick video today. I am starting our bathroom remodel soon, but let's take this off first. I don't know how to do it, so let's do some research. It looks pretty simple so far with a hex wrench for the handle part and a Phillips for that metal plate. They did warn me to turn off the water, but I don't know how to do that. So we are going to try it with the handle on the down position. Okay, here is what we've got. And I'm guessing if anybody wanted to install a new shower handle, this is probably pretty similar. When we took ours off, the handle had a hex fastener underneath here. It was pretty easy to remove, similar to the backing. It just had these two relatively long fasteners and a few plastic pieces that were held together by another shorter Phillips fastener. Video number 150 done.